Hello everyone, welcome back to our new playlist of SQL, where we will learn SQL from scratch. So firstly guys, before using this application, we need to download and install SQL Server in our machine. So you guys simply need to follow few steps to download and install SQL. And in this tutorial guys, we will only learn how to download and install SQL in our machine. So let's start the tutorial that how to download and install SQL in our machine. So most of the time guys, I am using Google Chrome browser. You guys can take help from any other browser. So let me open this Google Chrome first. So here you simply need to type download SQL Server and hit enter. So here you guys can see the Microsoft link, because this SQL Server is a product of Microsoft. So firstly you need to click on this SQL Server download link. So here we guys can see we are entered here in this official website of Microsoft, and now let me scroll it down. And here you guys can see the two options, Developer and Express. So here guys we will select this Express download because this is a free edition and this is basically for the production environment, and this Developer for the non-production environment. So I will go with this Express and click here on this download now. So see guys, the moment I click here on this download now, our download has started. And now let's go to the file manager and go to downloads. So here we guys can see our application has downloaded. And now guys we have to install it. So you need to double click here on this application. And from here guys you need to select any of the installation type. So if you talk about this download media guys, so this will allow you to download the file so that you guys can install that later. And the second one is custom. This is for the custom guys. That means whatever we are installing in this machine, it will be shown first. And the third one is basic. So this basic installation guys to install the default configuration. So I will go with this basic. So let me click here on this basic first. And now guys, after reading all the license and agreement, you need to click here on this accept button. And here we guys can see it is displaying the installation location. So the by default location guys in C drive. So if you guys want to change the location, so you guys can click here on this browse. And you guys can set up the installation anywhere. But I will go with this default location. So let me cancel it. And now click here on this install button. And see guys, the moment I click here on the install button, so the downloading and installation package has started. And it will take few minutes guys to install in your machine. And once guys this download install package will complete, after that installation will start. So see guys, the package has downloaded successful. And now guys it is installing in your machine. So it will take another few minutes. And now we guys can see our installation has completed successfully. So if you guys want to cross check, just click here on this connect now. So if it is showing one row affected, that means your installation has completed successfully. And now let me close it. And now guys you simply need to click here on this install SSMS. Here SSMS stands for SQL Server Management Studio. So you simply need to click here on this install SSMS. And now you guys can see the moment you click on this install SSMS, it will take you to the Microsoft website. And if you scroll it down guys, so here you guys get to see one download link. So here you guys can see free download for SQL Server Management Studio. So you need to click here on this free download for SQL Server Management Studio. And see guys, your downloading has started. So guys, we have completed our download process. And now let's go to the file manager and go to download. And here is the file guys, which is SSMS setup ENU. And now let's double click here. So see guys, and now guys you need to click here on this install button. And now we guys can see our setup has completed. And now you need to click here on this close and minimize it. And now guys let's go back to this desktop screen and click here on this taskbar and type SSMS, which is SQL Server Management Studio. So here is the application guys, let's click it here. And here you guys can see it is getting me the by default server name, which is Shubham SQL Express. And now you guys, you need to click here on this connect button. So see guys, we are connected with this SSMS and I can see all the features here on the left side. So here are the databases guys, and we guys can create own database. So from next class guys, we will learn more about this SSMS, and in the next class guys, we will also learn more about this SQL Server management system, and we will also add some more videos from scratch till next level, just like a Power BI. And if you guys want to learn free Power BI from scratch, so you guys can follow our YouTube channel, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. So here is the channel guys. So you guys can follow this free YouTube channel, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And if I scroll it down guys, so here you guys can see we have multiple playlists of Power BI. And with the help of this full course playlist guys, you guys can learn Power BI from scratch. And also guys, we have DAX playlist, visualization playlist and update playlist. So you guys can learn detail about the Power BI. So I hope guys you are loved this tutorial that how to download and install SSMS. So stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. So keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much guys.